name's Max. I'm a designer from here in Chicago. I'm probably best known for creating this game. Cards is actually turned 10 years old from our first prototype this New Year's. So it was made by me and 7 friends. So there were 8 of us, and we all grew up together, and we made this game for like a New Year's party when we were in college. But the way we do it is, so Cards Against Humanity has no investors. We have no publisher, we have no distributor, we've never taken on any debt, we've never had a loan. It's just the 8 of us, and our business model is we sell a product for money and then we spend less than we make. You should check it out, it's a cool business model. And there's never a point at Cards where we had made like a master plan. It was improvising. We tried to make the least bad decision at every opportunity as it presented itself. And then we started making like more cards and expansions and things, and we became like the number 1 through 6 best-selling toy or games on Amazon. And I think we're still hanging on. In advocacy and in all good organizations, there's a clean transition from values to strategy to tactics. The answer to any question about tactics is always it depends, and it always depends on the strategy that you're trying to accomplish, and the strategy should be informed by some sort of values. We just do funny things, and we hope that people talk about them, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. But also, if you spend $1 million a year on advertising, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So it's a comparable success rate.